Wait. Is this clear enough, Miss?
Okay, you are using partial a partial function, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm.
Do I need to show order again, or do I just?
Go back, because I thought it's like maplet.
Oh no.
Okay. Mm-mm. The item there, right? Don't we
The
need to have a connection with the order ID?
for which the top
The
variables are.
item, because this order ID, the order date is having the order ID as a domain. So this item inside the order, right? Don't we need to have any connection with the order ID?
Uh,
Do you understand? Because this item is belong to this order ID.
yeah.
Do we need to have the connection there?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it
No
need
need.
because that. I think need because that way I can show. But I think need
Mm.
can you change. Then do I scroll down, Miss, or do I? Because I'll make the changes later.
Mm-mm. Okay, okay.
Then after that, payment again. Then initialization of order and payment. For payment initialization,
Mm.
and then my operation schema, my for my new one.
Okay, I think my question is still the same question. Order
Yeah.
ID, the domain need to be there, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
So this one I just need to make changes to the item on this.
Correct.
So overall, nothing.
Sorry. This one is your operation. Sorry, this
Yeah,
is
this
your
operation.
create order.
Yeah.
So in your state space schema, you will do the changes, not here.
Oh, okay. So,
Mm-mm.
but this one overall, if once I change the order
Once
state
you
space
change
scheme.
the connection, then in your create order, can you see you have the uh your items, your item quantity or whatever is it you want to add the record, right?
Yeah.
You need to add as a connection.
Oh.
Mm.
So I just need to make that changes. Then this one is overall correct again.
Yeah, only the one you will change there.
Oh, okay. So
Mm.
then my second operation is my update order.
I think the
What
same
the
thing.
symbols is wrong.
This one you have the order ID.
Yeah.
Mm. So this is what I was asking you to update there. Mm.
So is this one then?
No. I mean, like in your update order operation here, can you see for your items, you show the maplet between the order ID and the new item. Down.
Oh, this
Mm.
one.
Mm.
Oh, so I
But
did. Oh,
but there you don't use it. That's why.
oh.
Mm.
But, I gotta do that.
Mm.
Uh, then my third operation delete order. Since
Only this, huh?
I did all already, but I'm not sure if correct or not for all my operations.
The first one is the CRUD.
Yeah, this is
Mm,
still within CRUD.
mm,
Then after this is after view order is already the other operations, which is generate receipt and make payment.
mm.
Which,
Wait.
which is this one, make payment.
Make payment, right? You don't include the. You don't need to have anything to do with the order state space schema.
Was that one I'm not sure. A bit unsure to know what is it.
Because you already include in yours, is it?
Huh?
Your order related
Yeah.
is already combined with your payment inside the state space schema, is it?
No, there are two different schemas.
Okay, so in that situation, if it's too different, right?
Yeah.
Payment, okay, if you see, this is order, but when it come to payment, you already have the order ID, correct?
Yeah.
That is what I was asking.
Oh,
Mm,
okay. So, oh,
okay.
and the last one is generate receipt. So I got include with order, but the previous one I didn't do so.
Mm-mm. So all this play out back, okay.
So I'll move on to my other group members.
Uh,
Okay.
Please go through the staff management. Mm, okay, and then go to operation. Operation one. Yeah. And I correctly a few um,
Yeah,
miss
what was the thing you need to correct?
the condition precondition
Okay.
is correct. Only one only.
Because you just add in, okay, correct. Mm-mm. Okay, score.
Correct. Okay, next one.
It's not clear, your screenshot.
Yeah, it took bit. So maybe I scroll.
Later you screenshot again, make it clear.
Okay.
Cannot really see. Okay. View stuff info. No, no, it's already blur. And you are making it more blur now. Okay, it's okay. Later you adjust it. Let me see this one.
And then the level auditor is the admin or manager to edit the data.
So this is your free type, right? One or
Yeah.
two?
Uh, yeah.
Okay. Mm.
And then the last no, the staff salary output. Since I think the manager is the level one, so he can see all the stuff, and but the admin cannot. Admin is the level two.
Mm.
So this is correct.
Wait. Mm, this is just for viewing purpose, is
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
For viewing, we need to still check the level of the stuff, is it?
Yes.
Okay. And the last one, the staff salary, right?
Yeah.
We are displaying the staff salary based on the ID and level is 1.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I will edit this.
The level is actually, you still need to indicate the ID, right?
Um, you.
Okay, your input is level of editor, but
Yeah.
level of editor is actually general. I mean, is general, either it's 1 or 2. But if we want to check if this particular stuff ID, the level of editor is equal to 1.
Yes.
Do you get what I'm saying? Like staff salary, you have the ID, right?
Yeah.
So the level also, you need that particular staff ID for you to know that this one, the level should be 1.
Oh,
Mm.
so I need to add one ID
The
for
bracket
the.
ID. The bracket ID for the level also.
Mm,
Like the staff salary, you put the ID bracket, right? You are using the function application, right?
yeah.
So use the same way for the level also.
Okay. Understand.
Mm.
Mm, next one.
Okay.
Mm, update.
Everything can be updated. Okay. Okay, okay. Why you are deleting the ID only? You suppose should delete the entire record, right? The ID and the name as a connection. Because you the first line you delete the ID. Actually, when you delete the ID, the others, right, you can use the domain subtraction to delete.
Oh,
Or you can delete the entire connection, the ID and the name, the ID and the gender, not ID. Only for the first one you delete the ID. The others all you cannot delete the ID. You need to delete the record for that ID.
oh,
Like you have the connection, right? The ID maplet, the name, ID maplet gender. So you need to delete the entire connection, not the ID. Got it? Can you understand?
understand.
Mm.
So the domain restriction is more easier.
Hmm? Come again?
Domain restriction is more easier to delete.
Yes, correct. Mm.
Okay.
Domain subtraction, huh?
A subtraction. Okay.
Mm.
And okay. The next schedule new sheet.
We are adding the schedule, is it?
Hmm?
We are creating a new schedule, is it?
What?
I mean, your function, your operation here, you are creating a new schedule, is it? Because
Yeah.
your function, I mean, the operation name is not showing what is the operation. I need to have the keyword to show that it's an operation. What is the operation? Is it create?
Uh, please look.
Schedule new shift
Schedule
is actually not an operation name. What is the operation name here?
schedule should to work
That
on.
is the operation name.
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe I will add more the schema.
So it means you are adding a new schedule, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe later I will add new remove and then leave required
Mm,
a few schema. So
mm,
I only need the one only.
okay.
Okay, that's all for my part.
Okay. Your voice is too low. Okay. Mm, mm. Do we need to indicate that the product quantity, product price more than zero? Is it a must to be part of the predicate? How you declare? Oh, okay. Because if you see, your product quantity, product price is actually not using a number, right? It's actually a basic type, connection of two different basic type. So you cannot compare with zero, I mean with number, unless you are using the hashtag to compare. Because only if you declare as a natural number or integer, you can directly compare it's more than zero. But here your product quantity, product price is actually basic type, product ID and the product quantity connection. So it's a basic type. So when it comes to basic type, you cannot directly compare with a number because there are two different types of data. So if you want to change, I mean, you want, because I don't see the reason why you want to check more than zero here, because you're not dealing with a number, right? No, the thing is, if you want to deal with a number, right, then you need to use the built-in type, not the basic type. That's what I'm trying to say. Because if the way you declare here, okay, you declare the product ID, and then for the product name is actually product ID as a domain, and then the product name as a range, correct? This is a connection between two basic type. There is no number involved here. So the same thing goes for the product quantity, product price. You use the connection between two basic type. So it means you are not involving with the numbers. You did not declare as a built-in type for you to directly declare, I mean, directly compare more than zero. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, can I see your operation? Okay, so let's assume you want to make sure that the product, wow, um, product price, product quantity. You can directly use N1, right? Instead of N. Because n1 is already indicate that it's more than 0. It will start from 1. So why you need to use n? You can use n1. There is natural number 1 with 1. So if you use the n1, you don't need to check in the predicate that it will be more than 0, because it's already start from 1. Because you did not declare as a number for you to directly compare. That's why it's a basic type. I think something is wrong here. Your declaration and for you to use them here, right? Because if you want to use the natural number straight, you actually don't need to declare as a basic type in your state space schema. Why you need the connection for the product price, product quantity? Um, can you just take out the predicate part, the product price and the product quantity more than 0? You don't need that. And then on the top, the declaration, the natural number n, you change it to n1. Okay. Go back to your state space schema. So here remove the product quantity and the product price also. I mean the predicate more than 0. Okay. Scroll. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Why delta inventory, C inventory? You cannot use two different symbol there. Suppose should be delta inventory, right? Because you are updating. So it means there will be changes happen to the record. So take out the second line. And also the product price and the quantity, use N1. Sorry, come again? Okay. Mm.
Miss, that's all from group because one of our members hasn't. We'll show it to you tomorrow.
What happened today? Why tomorrow? Where is he? I need to talk to him. Where is he? Is he here or not?
Hello, Miss. Are you looking for me?
Yes, I'm looking for you. What
Miss,
happened?
sorry, because now the class got crashed with my other subject.
Clash with what?
My other subject.
Which one clash? Our replacement?
DSPC. Yeah. Also replacement.
Hey, why you didn't tell me?
This I yesterday just know.
Imagine, you know, when I do the replacement, I already check, right, with you
Miss,
guys
yes,
first.
I also already checked. No, then I
Then
don't know why
the lecturer,
suddenly.
the lecturer suddenly put the replacement.
Oh,
Not so bad. Okay, so tomorrow,
okay, yeah, tomorrow.
okay,
Sorry, miss.
it's okay. Okay.